Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on September 30th. The Ostrogoths defeat Odoacer in Verona for 89 AD. On September 30th for 89, the Ostrogoths under Theoderic the Great defeated the forces of Odoacer at Verona in Italy. This victory was a key part of Theoderic's campaign to seize control of the peninsula. Odoacer, who had earlier deposed the last Western Roman emperor, now faced a major setback. The battle marked a turning point in establishing Ostrogothic rule in Italy. Hernando di Soto enters Tula territory 1541. On September 30th, 1541, Spanish explorer Hernando di Soto and his expedition entered the land of the Tula people. In what is now western Arkansas, the Spanish encountered fierce resistance, with the Tula described as some of the toughest fighters they had faced. This clash was part of di Soto's broader exploration of North America, which included crossing the Mississippi earlier that year. The exact location of Tula lands remains uncertain, but the encounter is remembered as a significant moment of contact. Mozart's The Magic Flute premieres 1791. On September 30th, 1791, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's opera The Magic Flute premiered in Vienna at the Freihaus Theater auf der Wieden. The opera stood out for its magical themes, enchanting music, and spoken dialogue. It soon became one of Mozart's most beloved works, admired for its beauty and symbolic depth. Sadly, the premiere came just months before Mozart's death in December of the same year. First commercial hydroelectric power plant begins operation 1882. On September 30th, 1882, the first commercial hydroelectric power plant began operating on the Fox River in Appleton, Wisconsin. Built under Thomas Edison's direction, the plant was one of the earliest uses of water power to generate electricity. Known as the Appleton Edison Light Company, it proved renewable energy could be harnessed for practical use. Its success inspired larger hydroelectric projects around the world. Babe Ruth hits his 60th home run 1927. On September 30th, 1927, Babe Ruth hit his 60th home run of the season, setting a record that stood for 34 years. This achievement cemented Ruth's reputation as one of baseball's greatest sluggers. His milestone became a legendary benchmark, inspiring generations of players and fans. Even today, Ruth's incredible 1927 season remains one of the sport's most iconic moments. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.